Hello guys, Berko Banks here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make money on YouTube in 2019 without recording videos. So this is going to be step-by-step video, and I've been doing this for past 1 year and it is working great for me. So I wanted to share with you guys how to do it step-by-step in today's video. So what is this video about, so you can decide if this video is right for you? So the first thing is, we are not going to use Creative Commons. So a lot of you guys know what Creative Commons are, and we are not going to do that method because sometimes you can get copyright strikes. I have saw some people getting copyright strikes using Creative Commons, so we are not going to use that method. I'm going to show you guys how to create professional videos with voiceovers without recording videos, and I have been doing this for past 1 year, and as I said, it is working amazing for me. So third thing is, you will never get copyright strikes, as I said, because you're not going to use copyrighted videos. I'm going to show you guys how you can create your own content. So fourth thing is, I'm going to show you guys how you can find content for your channel, how you can create perspective, what works and what doesn't, and how to grow your YouTube channel. And of course, I'm going to show you guys examples of the channels that are doing the right way that I'm about to show you guys, and I'm also going to show you guys how you can monetize your YouTube channel. So this is something that you're going to see in today's video, guys. So let's talk about, and also if you're new to my channel, guys, make sure to press that subscribe button because we upload daily videos with fresh new methods on how to make money online. So you don't want to be late, you don't want to miss that out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, as I said, because new videos are coming every single day, so you don't want to miss them out. So guys, examples of the channels that are talking about this is one of the examples, guys. So this channel doesn't actually create videos. They actually just provide content with voiceovers. Here you can see this is probably just images and some of the videos that they actually didn't record. So they are not using Creative Commons. I'm going to show you guys the right way to do it. So here you can see this channel has 2.3 million subscribers, and here you can see they have tons and tons of views. So this is one of the examples of the channels that you can check out. This is another example, guys. So they actually didn't create this content. They actually didn't record this video. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. And again, this is some crazy big channel. It has over 1 million subscribers, guys. So here you can see they have, and this is also a fresh new channel. This is not some old channel that just started let's say 5 years ago. They have started less than 2 years ago, guys. So here you can see great potential also in this channel. So, and another one, and one of the biggest ones on the YouTube, is called Bright Side. So basically, again, they don't actually record. Here you can see they didn't record this video, and I'm going to show you guys how you can use this content, something like this, for your channel. So we're not going to talk about Creative Commons because sometimes, as I said, you can get copyright strikes, guys. So if you want more videos like this, guys, make sure to press that like button because we are going to talk about it more in the future. So the software that I actually use to create my content, maybe you know it, it is called Wave Video. So I'm going to show you guys the new method on how you can use Wave Video to create your content. So the first thing is, you're going to click on Create Project. So we are going to start from scratch. So when you're trying to start from scratch, here you can see they're going to provide you guys with tons and tons of different videos that you can actually use. So I'm going to show you guys examples, and I'm also going to play some of these videos so you can see that you can't really get copyright strikes because they actually want you guys to use this video. They are making this video for you guys so you can use them in your videos. So this is, as I said, some of the images that you can use, some of the image videos. I don't even know how to call it. So here you can see There are tons and tons of different videos that you can actually use. So let's say we're going to go with, let's say, water. So just to show you guys that there are tons of different videos that you can actually use. So here you can see you didn't actually record this video, but you can use it in your video, guys, today, and create your own content, get your own information with this very video. So here you can see this is one of the examples. So how you're going to find the content that you're going to record, how you're going to know what kind of content goes viral. So this is really important, because if you want to get views and you're starting from zero, you want to start looking at these channels that I have provided you guys. So what you want to do is you want to click on the videos and click here on sort. So you want to go with most popular. So you're going to see what are the most popular videos on this channel. So this is going to show you guys what kind of content people likes to see. So you're going to know that you're going to use what kind of content you're going to create, because it is not easy finding the right content that are people interested in. And also Brightside, as I said, that is one of the biggest channels, and this is why they can create tens of videos per day. And here you can see they are actually created in last 24 hours 4 videos on this channel. So how they do it, they don't actually record the content, they just create some information with the stock images, stock videos, and that is how they can push a lot of videos per day, and that is how they make a lot of money. So here you can see again, this is what kind of videos go viral, what kind of videos people want to see. So you want to find out some content, for example, this how to survive by an animal attack. So that is a content that people like to see, and also this is going to get a lot of views. So you're going to create something similar to these videos, you're going to get some ideas, a lot of ideas, and that is how you're going to promote your channel. So when someone clicks on this kind of video, your video is going to appear right here in the recommended bar, because you're creating something similar to this video. And once you create something similar, you're going to appear here in recommended bar if your video is actually good quality, and also they have high watch time. So not always your video is going to appear right here. So make sure to post daily content. So let's say we're going to create how to survive wild animal attacks. So we're going to click on water, and we can use some of the videos right here. So let's see this one. Let's say we're going to talk about sharks in our video. So let's click on add, and we're going to say here how to survive we can make it, we're not going to enter here subtitles. So let's say this is our starting content. So here you can see when you click, you can actually enter some of the stickers. Let's say we're going to enter something random. I don't even know what to add, because I didn't actually plan to create this video, but here you can see how easily it can be done, because you can create your own videos in less than a few seconds. So for some reason, let's put 2 minutes. I don't even know why, but just to show you guys how you can easily drag and drop stickers right here. And when we click here on this button right here, we're going to record our voice. So we're going to do voiceovers for these professional videos. So let's record something. This is how you can survive wild animal attack. This is how you can survive wild animal attack. So this is just an example. We're going to add our voiceover. And when you click on publish, here you can see you can download your video, or you can directly upload it to YouTube. So let's say we're going to click on share on YouTube, and now you need to connect your YouTube channel, and you can actually upload this video from video directly to your YouTube channel. So this is only 16-second content. You don't want to create 16-second content. You want to create, let's say, 2 or 3 minute videos, so you can actually combine these stock videos and create your own content, own unique content. And when you download actually the video, it is going to be much higher quality. Right now we're creating this video live, so that is why this video is not the best quality right now. So you can see this is how you can survive wild animal attack. So we're just saying this random stuff. I don't even know why I said that, but here you can see that we have created a few seconds of amazing content. This is actually amazing content, and the video is actually professional, and everything is related. You can find anything related to let's say shark attack or something like that. We can go here and maybe type in shark. So here you can see we have found 24 seconds of shark. So we can also add that content to our video also. So here you can see we have now over 30 seconds of content. So here you can see how you can easily create your own videos, and just click here on publish. You can actually download it to your desktop, or you can directly upload it on YouTube by clicking this button right here. Directly share it on YouTube or Facebook or Twitter or something like that, or you can see here you can download it directly to your desktop. So guys, some of these videos you actually need to pay. That is how Video makes money, but that is not the problem, because we are working on a much bigger way on creating money with YouTube. So you're not going to worry about paying for some of the videos. You can actually create a lot of content for free, as I said, and the videos that I have used right now are free videos, so you don't actually need to pay for anything right now. So guys, that will be it for today's video, and also how to make money on this channel. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can actually sign up for AdSense and run ads to your videos. So a lot of you guys are going to say, am I going to get approved for AdSense for creating this kind of videos? Yes, I have a YouTube channel with over 50,000 subscribers. So I'm using same content from Video, and I'm uploading it directly to YouTube channel. So this method actually works 100%. I have made some money doing this method, and I wanted to share with you guys how you can start your own YouTube channel. So the channels that I have shown you guys have tons of views, tons of subscribers, and they are all making money with the same way. So sometimes they are not going to make money from ads, they are going to make money with affiliate marketing, but usually these kind of channels make money from ads. So guys, that would be it for today's video. If you want to see more videos like these, guys, make sure to press that like button, and also if you're new to the channel, make sure to press that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon, and bye.